Aditya had a stable job, a fixed salary that never changed, and exactly 0 extra hours in his week. He was tired of his entire income depending on one manager's approval, one company's mood. So he made one strict rule: keep the job, protect the weekdays completely, and build something new inside just 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Nothing more, no exceptions, no excuses.
Every single Saturday, 6 a.m. sharp, before the rest of the house even woke up, he filmed one video on a topic he already understood deeply from 3 years at his day job. The first 8 weeks were brutal. 12 views, then 9, then 4. Mostly relatives, 0 strangers. Most people quit exactly here. Aditya almost did too, more than once, late on a Sunday night.
Then he changed exactly one variable. Instead of 10 random topics, he picked the single format that got even slightly more watch time and repeated only that every single weekend, without exception. He also stopped filming one video a week. He started batching 4 videos in a single Saturday morning, scheduling all 4 to release automatically through the week while he worked his actual job.
Month 6 changed everything. One weekend video got found by thousands of strangers overnight. His subscribers jumped more in 7 days than in the entire previous alone.
His first ad revenue payment landed soon after. Small, just a few thousand rupees, but it owed nothing to his job title, his manager, or anyone's permission. It was entirely, completely his own. Sponsors started messaging him directly within weeks. A second income stream stacked on top of the first, both still built entirely inside the same 2 protected weekend days he never once gave up. 1 year later, his weekend income quietly matched his full-time salary. Not from one lucky video, not from talent, but from 52 straight Saturdays where he simply refused to skip a single one.
The real lesson was never about going viral once. It was about treating 2 ordinary days with the exact same discipline most people only save for the job that pays their rent.
So if you have just 2 free days a week, that might genuinely be enough to start. Subscribe for more real stories like this, and go build your own weekend project, starting this Saturday.